Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Real Talk with Zing. I want to show you how I created this simple makeup look. For the girls who don't know anything about makeup, for the girls like me who afraid to put on too much makeup and it spoil, come along with me. Let's use some drugstore makeup to make this simple yet outstanding look. So I'm going to start off with a clean face. I'm going to be using this Tree Hut Peach Sorbet Shea Sugar Scrub to clean my face. Exfoliating the face is recommended before adding makeup for a smooth application. Just using some regular lotion. Then I'll be applying some primer. So the primer was added last. And then I am going to be using my Pro Concealer for my foundation. I'm using the color. I'm using Beautiful Bronze in the Pro Concealer line to pretty much add a foundation to my face. Alright. I'm using this brush to apply the application, and I am showing you the primer that I used because that somehow got edited. The primer is called Primer Makeup Fall in Color. It was found on Shein. And I'm just taking my time to blend in the makeup. I blend until I see no more lines and it seems like a seamless application. Okay. Alright, so now I'm using a spoolie to brush my brows in the direction that it grows, ensuring that they're all laid flat. It kind of gives you the idea as to what shape your brows have, and you're now going to use your eye pencil to fill in the empty spots. I use the eye pencil to add the ends of my brows, seeing as how my brows don't seem to grow at the end for whatever reason. And I'm doing this to both eyes. Alright. In some concealer underneath my eyes. This is in the color Toast. I am not putting on too much. I'm just putting on minimal amount and I'm working it into the skin. And I'll do this twice. Alright, here I go again. And for those people who are afraid to put on too much makeup, I recommend that you do it like this. Put it on in phases. So phase 1, and then phase 2. That way you're not putting on too much makeup. I feel like too much makeup is scary. Like, I'm not saying that it looks scary, but it's scary for me when I think that I'm not going to be able to blend it in to get that seamless look. Alright, so here I'm showing you that you need to go upwards with the concealer, right? And I'm stepping back, and if you look, you can see that lifted look. Yeah, you. Alright. So the girlies that I watch on TikTok and YouTube, they always put some concealer here. So I'm doing the same because, hey, not because I'm not a pro, I can pick up pro tips. Yes, and you blend. Blend it in, work it into the skin. Alright. So next we're going to put on some setting powder. This was also purchased on Shein. It's a Sheglam Coco Loco is the color, and I'm putting on a little bit. I'm just baking it, putting it on, not trying to push it in too much into the skin, just putting it on so it can set. Right. Do the same thing for the other eye, knock off the excess. That's right. You know that's right, girl. All right, so this is a brush, another brush that I'm going to be using to carve bottom brow, carve top brow, yes. But I don't like to use the extra light color that I see the ladies use. I don't know, as I tell you, I'm so scared. So I use a close color that's just a little bit lighter than my complexion. Put it underneath the brow to neat it up, and I use a smaller brush to go to the top and neat it up also. And I ensure that I blend this in. Yep. There you go. And ladies, you blend it in until it looks seamless. Right. Right here I am getting off the excess setting powder. That concealer is going nowhere. No creasing. It's just gonna be right there. Alright, so I'm using some natural color. These natural colors on my eyelids. I'm gonna be using that beautiful bronze. There I am putting it on my eyelids and I'm blending. I'm not going too high, I'm just doing the bottom lid. Right? I'm gonna be doing that to the other lid. After which I'm gonna be using a little darker color above the lid. Why you can tell that the contacts giving me a fight. I don't know why, but I'm gonna be using a darker shade above that bronze that I just put on. Then I'm gonna use a gold color to highlight underneath the eyebrows. Can we talk about how when people are trying something new, they get a lot of fights? Like, why? You see someone trying something new and you decide to fight them. I was watching this girl on TikTok the other day, this beautiful wig influencer who, you know, she didn't get any formal training. She just pick up herself and say, hey, I'm doing this. And she was telling me about the company wanted a makeup look and she was trying her little thing. People fight the girl so she don't know if put on wig, then she don't know if put on makeup. Man, people need to take several seats. See me here? I put on like a blush. I have to smile to put on the blush, you know, so that you're putting it in your smile area, you know, so it gives you that lifted look with the cheek. And I'm going above my eyebrow as well. Yes, 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 yes. You're gonna see, because the blush, I feel like the blush just pull the whole look together. It made the whole look just sell off, this blush here. Yeah. After which I'm gonna put on some strip lashes. Alright, so just continue watching and see what going on. Alright, so what you're seeing me do here is brushing out the extra powder that was in this brush. I only have one of those big brushes, so I have to get rid of the excess of whatever I used before. I'm getting a little of this red undertone looking powder and I'm using it to set the blush, and I'm also using it to put back a little color above my eyebrows there. The color never gone still in about, I don't know, my mind just tell me say must put it there, so I'm doing that work with my mind. Yummy. Yup. See ya? How long does that alright, moms? Anything your man tell us, mama? Do whatever your man tell us, girl. Yeah? So even though I'm not doing the whole highlight and contour, I kind of still a highlight and contour. Just not using a whole heap of creams and whatever. I'm just using some powders and a little cream. Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna go under eye again with a little more powder, because apparently my man tell me I must put more powder. So see me, yeah. Alright, underneath the eyes one more time, and you see that I use the powder that was closer to my skin complexion. That way we're not having that shadow, that ghost light look when you're done. Alright, oh, you can hear my daughter cough. Whoa. Okay. Alright, so you know I didn't contour my nose. I'm just gonna be using this highlighter. And I'm going right down the nose bridge. Right there's something. Look now, look. See me there? Yeah. Yeah. When the light hits it, you see that little glow. And that's all I'm gonna be doing. Alright. Okay, what's next? Oh, girl is gonna curl her eyelashes. And I'm curling them. I'm gonna be putting on some mascara after and then the strip lash. Here I am having a mental struggle. Should I or should I not? This is a look that the 90s girls who grew up influenced by 90s makeup will know all about. You don't have to use black. You know, you can use brown, you can use red, all the colored. You can use your colored liner to line your lips. I'm just gonna put a little bit of black today, not a whole lot. Guys, it elevates the look. Nobody tell you nothing here. See ya? Girls, the things people do to be glamorous. You use this for any lash, so you use this and you pump over it. You hold him. Yes, hold him like this. Okay, you're gonna put it on so, right? After you do that now, you get the glue and you glue and I don't know what to do with the glue. Okay, so you put the glue on this strip lash. And you have to make it get tacky first, but that's the glue. I will just put it on the rim of the lash like that. Alright, after you put it on there, like how I have it on there, you have to make it get tacky little. But that was what I did. Long wear lash glue me I use, normally would I use my ear glue. You go on. Alright, now so you get this and you put it over the lash, because you know your lash. You want to remove your lash from the lash line, so you hold on your lash like that. Anybody can tell say I fight me, just fight. Just fight in my life. Oh God. I know I do all of that now. I start feeling myself now. I say, alright, good girl. Make up. I look too bad. That's more. You know, like smell. See, I smell for the camera. Okay, I ain't gonna do anything else. This was a drugstore makeup cast. A Mercier matte finish setting spray. The last time I buy it, or somewhere about most I think that is. Stay far. Father, give yourself a good time. Alright, so now this is the look. Right, let's see the finishing look. Come on. Simple makeup look. Little puff, little banger. Tapping for little puff. And I'm ready for outside. Oh my god, I can you imagine? Look at me. I didn't do this Immediately a girl start acting up. Look how girl cute. Look her face. Look at that. Serving. Looks. Thank you guys for watching my video today. Thank you for subscribing. Please share and tell a friend. Now pop down, Jonah, turn in a sinner.